Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Sa ating araw-araw na pamumuhay, kumigit kumulang 100 ang namamatay at libo-libo naman ang naaksidente dahil sa motorsiklo sa buong panig ng daigdig. Kung kaya naman, napagkasunduan ng aming pangkat na maglahad at magbigay ng munting kaalaman nang sa gayon, sa panahon ng sakuna, tayo ay may magagawa para sa ating kapwa. Kaya ito ang mga first aid o paunang lunas na ating magagawa para sigurong hindi pa yon ang last ride ng tao na aksidente. Isang araw, isipang magkarera ng dalawang magkaibigan. Ngunit, sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, nadisgrasya ang isa sa kanila.
Number 1, check yourself first.
If you have been injured in the accident, first, check yourself for any injuries. Try to assess how well you can move your limbs. And if you experience symptoms such as dizziness, etc., remember you need to be fit enough to help the others.
Number 2, check the persons for other injuries. If other people are injured, first, assess the extent of his or her injuries. For example, is he bleeding from the head, neck, arms, legs, abdomen, back, or etc. Treat the quickest person first. They are usually more seriously injured or cannot breathe. People who can talk or scream, on the other hand, can breathe, therefore, can be treated a little later. Ask for the patient's name if he responds. It means he is able to understand the situation.
Look for signs of breathing. Next, check if the person is breathing and if he has a pulse.
Immediately call for an ambulance or rush the person to a hospital. Once you know more about the patient's condition, you will in a better position to tell the doctors about his or her condition.
Check for obstructions in the person's mouth and throat. If you do not hear any breath sounds, check his or her mouth for any obstructions. If there is something obstructing the airway, use your index and middle finger to clear the airway.
Number 6, perform life-saving techniques.
If there is no pulse, start CPR or ear. Keep the person's neck straight to start ear. External air resuscitation or CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. There are 3 types of ear: mouth to nose, mouth to mask. You could read more about how to perform ear and CPR here.
Number 7. Ways to help him or her in grave situations. If there is bleeding from the mouth or the patient is vomiting, turn the person to his or her side. This will avoid any chances of the person choking. Place the person's arm that is under him straight out and the arm closest to you across his chest.
Number 8. Deal with open wounds. If there are extensive wounds, try to control the bleeding using pressure to the area using a cloth. Press down with your palms rather than your fingertips. You can also read about first aid measures for fractures.
9. Always suspect spinal injuries. If the person's neck is in an awkward position, not normal place, or the person is unconscious, do not move the patient. Get help immediately. This could mean that the person's neck is broken.
Number 10. Keep the person warm. Usually, accident victims feel excessively cold due to shock. Therefore, keeping them warm is essential to survival. You can use whatever you have to do this, such as t-shirt, jacket, etc.
Do not give the person any water, food, or other fluids through the mouth. It could lead to the patient choking.